In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a task to a Dubsado project. If you're managing multiple clients or collaborating with a team, keeping track of everything that needs to be done is essential. Dubsado makes this easy by allowing you to create tasks within each project so everyone involved knows exactly what needs to be completed and when. Whether you're assigning work to yourself or another team member, adding tasks helps keep projects organized and moving forward. To get started, sign into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Projects. This will display all of the projects currently available in your account. Next, select the project where you'd like to create a new task. Once the project opens, you'll see several tabs across the top of the page. Click on the Tasks tab to view the list of existing tasks associated with that project. If there aren't any tasks yet, or if you simply want to add another one, click the Add Task button. This will open the task creation window where you can enter all of the necessary information. The main section is the task description, where you'll write the instructions or details for the task. Be as clear and specific as possible so whoever is responsible knows exactly what needs to be done. After entering the task details, choose a due date. Setting a deadline helps ensure the task is completed on time and keeps the overall project on schedule. You'll also notice that the task is already associated with the current project, so you typically won't need to change that unless necessary. Next, assign the task to the appropriate person. You can assign it to yourself if you're handling the work personally, or choose another team member if someone else is responsible for completing it. Once you've reviewed all of the information, click Save to create the task. After a moment, the page will refresh and the new task will appear in the project's task list. From here, you and anyone with access to the project can quickly review outstanding tasks, track responsibilities, and stay organized throughout the project. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a task to a Dubsado project, making it easier to stay organized and ensure important work doesn't get overlooked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.